Hello friends, so today we are going to talk about method of locating instantaneous center in a mechanism. So this is very important for the numerical part, so don't miss any part of this video and concentrate on the video, okay? And I'll recommend you to watch my previous video on rules for locating I centers in a mechanism if you haven't watched that, because it is very important for the numerical as well. But you can do this after watching this video as well, but watch that video for the numerical part, because when there is some part like this, there is sliding contact, or there is some rolling contact, or there is some other types of contact in between the surfaces, so there will be numericals on that, and you need to find out where its eye center could lie. So these rules are very important, so do watch that video. Now let's move on to this topic, method of locating instantaneous center in a mechanism. So there is a procedure for that. If you want to locate eye center in a mechanism, and for solving the numerical, there are several steps that you have to follow, okay? So the first step is to find out the value of n. You know how to find out the value of n, how to find the number of eye centers. So there is a formula that is n is equal to n into n minus 1 divided by 2. I have already discussed about this in the previous videos, so you can watch that, okay? Now by using that, we could find out the value of n, so that there is we can find out how many eye centers that could lie in the given numerical, okay? So suppose there is a 4-bar chain mechanism, already I have discussed, okay? Suppose there is a 4-bar chain mechanism, then there are 4 links, 1 2 3 and 4. So the value would be 4 minus 1 divided by 2, so it would be 6, okay? So there would be 6 instantaneous centers or eye centers in a mechanism, okay? So we need to find out these instantaneous centers. Now as we have find out the number of eye centers, so we have to make a list of these eye centers using a table, okay? So first so we need to draw a table for this, and we need to write down the number of links in a given mechanism. So number of links 1 2 3 and 4. Now what we have to do, we have to write it down in this manner: 1 2 2 3 3 4, okay? This one will be empty. Now we have to leave this 2 1 3 2 4, and there will be nothing, okay? Now we have to leave these 2 1 and 4, there will be empty, okay? This is the method for writing the eye centers, list of the eye centers. So we have obtained 6 eye centers and we are done with it. The same task you can do with using this is step 1, this one is step 2. Same task you can do by using a circle, making a circle, okay? So make a circle and mark 4 points. It could be equidistant or not, it is as per your wish, but if you'll make it equidistant or cut it in equal parts, then it would be easy to draw, because here we have only 4 links, but if there is 10 or 15 links or any more than that of links, then you need to draw it properly so that you could make triangles properly, okay? So mark it as 1 2 3 and 4. Now what we have to do, we have to meet these lines. Already I have got these eye centers, okay? So these are the fixed eye centers. We can see over here, this one is I12, this one is I12, this one is I23, this one is I34, and this one is I14, okay? So these are the fixed eye centers, okay? And permanent eye centers. So suppose this one is a fixed link, so I12 and I24 are the fixed eye centers, and these are the permanent eye centers. I have already discussed, so if you want to check out that video, then I'll give in the link description below. So we need to meet these. So I12, I23, I24, I14, okay? Now how we will find out the remaining 2 eye centers, okay? So for that, in this diagram, what we have to do, we have to extend these lines, okay, and it will meet somewhere. And similarly for this. But what we can do in this triangle thing, okay? So we need to draw, in this circle, so we need to draw triangles as such that they are adjacent to each other. If we'll meet 1 3, then we will obtain 2 triangles, 1 2 3 and 3 4 1 or 1 4 3, okay? So there will be 2 triangles forming by meeting 1 and 3. So the eye center would be called I1 3. Similarly, we can meet 2 and 4, so that we'll obtain two triangles 1 2 4 and 3 4 2. Okay, so there are two triangles we have obtained in this one as well. So this one is called I2 4. So in this way we could draw triangles and find out the eye centers. Okay, although we have taken the example of 4-bar chain mechanism, so we have got 4 primary instantaneous centers, okay, with 2 fixed and 2 permanent joints. So it is not necessary that in the questions you will find out the 4-bar chain mechanism. There may be other types of mechanisms, so you could understand this is the method for solving those numericals as well. Now in this one we could name it as this one as 5 and this one is 6, and this is called a circle diagram. Okay, so this is important for each and every question, because if you draw this one, then you could find out the number of eye centers exactly. Okay, because there are some eye centers that lie in the that when you'll do the question, then you'll find out that. Okay, so we'll discuss it later. And the method of locating these eye centers in this 4-bar chain mechanism is determined by Kennedy's theorem. So when we draw a diagram like this, a configuration diagram like this, okay, now we meet it up somewhere over here. So these eye centers are obtained by Kennedy's theorem. So suppose this is 1 2 3 and 4. So these are the eye centers. These are neither fixed nor permanent eye centers, I1 3 and this one is I2 4. Okay, so we have obtained these two eye centers as well by using Kennedy's theorem. Although this theorem is very important, but you can easily understand it by reading this by your own. So if you have any problem in this theorem, then you can ask me in the comments and I'll do that video. Okay, so in the next video we will discuss about the numericals based on these eye centers. Okay, so do watch that video. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up and like, share and comment on this video, and please do subscribe. Thank you for watching.